Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert, never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. Share with you guys our opinion on what's going on, overall market, AMC, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Before we do, also watch out for the Instagram fake accounts. Only have one account on Instagram. Never will hit you up, guys, talking about WhatsApp or Bitcoin or send me any money or nothing like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, see what's going on. So as we know, guys, the feds have came out today and mess with the little meter with them coming out hiking interest rates or coming out speaking about inflation. Definitely is going to be a major dictation on the overall market and what happens with the market going forward. So if we go and take a look at it, guys, we know that's going to be like I said, it's never one thing, it's never a correct science. It's always going to be multiple driving forces that cause the market to go up and down. We also know a lot of big earnings to be reported this week also have a dictation on the overall market as well. We got earnings coming up for Carvana and a lot of other major stocks that we have on our radar coming up this week as well, guys. So as we take a look at it, we see stock futures rises Wednesday evening. Stock futures tick higher Wednesday evening. Futures Dow Jones average added 41 points. The S&P 500 gained 0.3%. NASDAQ 100 futures jumped 0.6%. NASDAQ futures got a boost from NVIDIA, which rose more than 8% after hours on better than expected quarter four earnings and revenue, guys. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on here. As we know, the moves came after the Federal Reserve released the minutes of its most recent meeting, which included February the 1st, showing that members of the central bank are resolved to keep fighting inflation with rate hikes. So as we know, that's definitely the Fed's the economy major problem right now is taming this beast, this inflation that steady had went out of control on last year, and they steady working trying to get it under control, guys. All a part of the plan, though. All a part of the, what they got going on, right? So let's go ahead and take a further look. So as we see, guys, more consumer earnings will be reported or due to come out Thursday morning, including Alibaba, Papa John's, Wayfair, Bath and Body Works. And after the bell, we will have more earnings like Beyond Meat, Block, Warner Brothers, Discovery, Carvana, and a lot of others, guys. So traders are looking forward to the latest GDP and weekly jobless claims data, which are both scheduled to release 8:30 on Thursday. So we also have the GDP and jobless claims data to be reported on tomorrow. Plus we had a report that came out today. Plus we have all these earnings. Like we know, guys, weeks like this is when you want to zoom out, pay attention to what's going on, pay attention to the market sentiment. If you do get involved in anything, you're going to be very, very smart and meticulous. Aim small, miss small, and putting in peanuts. Just because you're like, hey, I don't want to miss nothing. I put a little something on what I'm expecting to do. But if it don't play out or go as I expected it to, I'm not really going to care because it's dropping the bucket of what I put out there anyway, because I'm already prepared. I'm already prepped up for what the market could possibly bring due to Hayes preparing me for a choppy and mixed signal week whenever things like this are coming about. So let's go ahead and take a further look, guys. So as we know, NVIDIA shares of the chip giant leaped more than 7%. And after hours or whatnot, Lucid, the electric vehicle maker, saw shares slide 9% in extended trading hours, reporting fourth quarter revenue that fell short of expectations. So I loved it seeing Lucid fall 10% after hours. It sounds crazy. Happy to see a company fall like that, because now we're playing on the opposite side. We're now doing options on calls and inputs, guys. And our first put, we made over $5,000. That was with Tesla, I want to say. No, that was with Airbnb. We did 5,000 over. We also made a couple grand with Tesla, and we got right back in Tesla on today. We alerted the guys, and he haven't made his move yet to the downside and drop. When it did, when we got in at 205 and it came down to 193 today, but it still haven't done to its scream like I expect it could possibly do. I mean, I want to see it go from 205, flash crash down around 285, and if 285 is broken, it could really get scary and drop another $10, $15 coming down to around 166, 167, guys. A worst case scenario, in my opinion. But I'm just looking for around the 193, 185 mark. Anywhere between that is solid play with Tesla. So hopefully tomorrow, even if it want to run back up to 210, 215, it messed up my premium for a while. I believe it's going to tank and it's going to come back down hard. So I'm going to let that one play out, play it by ear. Even if it don't happen tomorrow, I could see the sell-off possibly happen Friday. So you already know, guys. And also with AMC, oh man, I love how AMC been holding up throughout all these rookies. The market has been choppy back and forth. Down on Tuesday, a lot of stocks down today, but AMC was rocking and working his way through it all, up over 9% on the day like today at its peak. Obviously gave back the gains, and on yesterday it did fairly well. But it's crazy, guys. They finally had to slow this beast down, because today if it ended up near its peak like it did, that'd have been a nice that'd have been very nice going forward for AMC. But it's finally starting to show its true colors and do what we been seeing it do. Ended at $6.30, still up over 2.3%, guys. 2.3%. Have a resistance right around $6.33, 630-ish. It break through that, we could see it possibly run back up and retest that high that we hit today of around the 670s, guys. So as I told you guys before, once AMC have broke 575, 580-ish, it could go straight to the low sixes, which you already did. Now we're holding up there, and from there we could go to around just 680-ish. And once 680 was broken, AMC could jump straight to the mid sevens, guys. 723, 730-ish. So we definitely could see a significant jump in AMC if they quit holding it, quit manipulating the way it do, especially with seeing how AMC is changing sentiment with the market not being as strong. So imagine with the market actually turning over, we definitely could possibly see some positive flow, positive action with AMC, guys. So you already know, be smart, be meticulous, ain't small, miss small, guys. Get your free stock down below. Also, feel free to join VIP to be alert and never get in and out of plays. Also, get extra additional information. You already know I love you guys. We out. God bless you. And we